Alright, so we're here at Complexe Desjardins, and this glass elevator here I filmed at least once or twice before, and I figured why not do it again. So we're going to take the elevator all the way down to the second floor, and this being a glass elevator, you get a spectacular view of everything. And of course that water fountain right there, it's pretty well known over the last few years, being a very beautiful exhibit. We'll go back on this elevator in a minute, just show you up close here what I'm talking about. And if you've seen my previous videos, you've seen that this whole area changes throughout the year. You know, St. Patrick's Day, it's all green. Halloween, I think it's going to be orange and red and all that. And Christmas time as well, you're going to have all the Christmas colors. So we'll head back to our glass elevator here, get another view. We'll go all the way up to the 5th floor. One of my favorite elevators in the city, this one.
You go first.
Yep. And to get down, we have no choice but to take the elevator, because there's no stairs on this level, at least not where we are. So we'll go down to... Maybe we'll go down back to the 2nd floor, or we'll do the 3rd. One last view of everything. Alrighty, have a good day, everybody.